Installing a power distribution board. Align the power distribution board slots with the alignment pins. Lower the power distribution board onto the server. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the power distribution board. Connect the cables to the power distribution board. Align the power distribution board cover pin with the hook, lower the board into the server, and then slightly slide the power distribution board cover backwards to insert it. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the power distribution board cover. If necessary, install the flash power module on the power distribution board cover. Install the top cover. Install all the power supply units.